everybody. Hope you guys are having a great day. Since I am on furlough, as per my last video, I'm really taking this time to kind of go through the house, do a lot of organization, get things in order. I'm going to do my closets, which I might see you next spring by the time I get through those. But I did the hutch, and now I'm going to do our junk drawer. And I'm so embarrassed to even show you the junk drawer because it just got out of control. But I wanted to show you these, which I actually picked up yesterday at the dollar store. And they're just plastic trays, but they already have this non-skid surface on the inside. So I figured what I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything out of the junk drawer, wipe the drawers down, and then I'm going to try to organize everything. I have 8 of these. So if these work in this drawer, this is also another kind of drawer, which is kind of like a throw-all. So I'm going to go through, I'm going to organize it all. I'm going to put everything in these trays and we'll see how it goes. I mean, just embarrassing. I'll let you see a little bit of it, but our like medicines are in there and a lighter's in there. My inhalers are in there, some candles, a koozie. I don't know what a koozie is doing in the drawer, but some Good Vibes koozie. We could use Good Vibes right now, can't we guys? Just with all this craziness going on out there. So I am going to go through everything, put everything out on the counter, organize them so that each little tray holds a like item, like medicines in one, you know, any screws or anything like that that we have on hand that we could use in another one, and just whatever else I have. So I can't really hold the phone and do it all together, but I just wanted you to see kind of the before of really the disgrace that is our junk drawer. And I will show you what it looks like in a few minutes. I will see you soon. Okay, so I have everything in the drawer totally cleaned out and wiped down. And I had this paper before. I think I got this at Walmart, and I think it is still available, actually. I didn't get it all that long ago, and I really like it. It's just kind of adds a little bit of color to the drawer. So with that being done, I'm just going to take the bins and let's see how they fit in here. They may not all fit in here. I guess they fit like that. And then some of the other ones I had in there, I kind of just put the junk up there, but those bins I will put on the side. So it looks like I can get 4 of them in one drawer and then just like a little space right here. So either something bigger that doesn't fit in the trays I'm going to put there. But that's where I am so far. And the mess that is my counter right now. So I will be back and we'll see how far I get. Okay. So this drawer is officially done, I should say. And I think it came out great. I used 4 of the bins. I have 4 more left. So I am going to go ahead and do the other drawer. And I will show you how that one turns out. So what I did was, in this empty space, like screwdrivers, wrenches, lighters to light the candles, things like that are all right there. So we always know where they are. This one has all of our like medicine, vitamins, things like that. So they are all in the like bin and all together. These are all like the capsules. So like Dayquil, NyQuil, that kind of thing. All in one bin. Back here we have extra phone chargers, earbuds, tape measure, an outlet, and all like the wood glue and the glues that we have that we may need for home projects. So they're all right there. And in this one I put like all of our batteries. We have an extra outlet cover for when we paint the wall. So it's batteries and then screws, any miscellaneous things, and then I put them in a bag so they're all together. And that's how this drawer came out. So as you can see, now it's nice and organized. When we open it up, you can see what's going on. You know where everything is, and it's easily accessible. So this drawer is a win. Now we're going to go to the other drawer, which again, a hodgepodge of I don't even know what is in this drawer. But we're going to find out because I am now going to clean it out. I'm going to empty everything out, put the other 4 bins that I have right there in there, clean it all out, and I will come back and I'll show you how the hodgepodge drawer came out. And yes, I have my coffee because I need strength. God help me. So I'm going in and I'll be back soon. Okay, so I'm back. So I took everything out of the drawer fully. I put the 4 bins that I had left, and I took one of the other ones and just kind of washed it out, and I put it in on the side. They kind of don't fit, and I'm going to kind of make them fit. As you can see, it's just up a little bit, but that's okay because I really need the space. So I am going to get started with organizing this drawer, and we'll see how it turns out. I'll see you shortly. Okay, finally done, and here's the finished product. So in this little bin, I put like some odds and ends for different screws, measures, things for Scott's drill. Some drill bits and things are in there. This is just some 2-sided tape, sponges, some wire, in case we ever need it. This one has phone cases, deck of cards, which, let's be frank, we're probably going to be playing cards a lot pretty soon. And some of Wednesday's little balls and her little collar. Back drawer is candles, and over here is just like some more phone cases. I don't know what this is. I think they're twinkle lights, battery powered, so I kept them because I'll probably definitely use them. But that was it. So drawer number 2, nice, clean, organized. Drawer number 1, nice, clean, and organized. I found the this thing, I forget what it's called now. I'm having a total mind lapse. But to get the lint off your lint brush. So I found it. It was buried in the other drawer. And I found our hammer, which I was looking for. That was also buried in the other drawer. So now everything has its place. Everything is neat, clean, washed. I threw out everything else that we didn't need or use. I figure if we haven't used it in 6 months when I did the drawers before, we probably don't need it. You know, screws, odds and ends like that I kept. But just some odds and ends I actually threw away too. Oh, bless you, Wednesday. Are you sneezing? Are you sneezing? You go, girl. See, Wednesday probably just wanted to say hello, get a little attention in there. So that was it. So that was our drawers. So that was my project number 2 for my furlough. And next is going to be my closets. And I think I got my new Birchbox. So I'm going to be doing that one as well. We'll review all the products and go through the products from the February box. And I have another Amazon packing one coming with all the stuff I bought for vacation. Let's hope by May 10th I can still go. If not, I'm going to be very sad. But, you know, we got to do what we got to do. So anyway, that were my drawers. They're all nice and clean, and I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you soon, and remember to be kind to one another. Bye-bye.